Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Anna and I do makeup reviews, makeup tutorials, skincare, so anything beauty related, I got you covered. Today's video is something that I bought because of TikTok. It's the truth. If you were on TikTok a couple of weeks ago, there was this product that was like in every video. And it's from Dr. Jart. I don't know how to say this. Oh, I'm sorry. It's called Tigergrass Color Correcting Treatment. And people were using this as like, they would put it on and they would kind of warm it up and like pat it, and then it would like morph into your skin tone. So I have a little sample of it here. I bought it at TJ Maxx and it came in this kit. And the kit has a cleansing foam, a toner, and a moisturizer. I don't know if I'm going to use this. I might just put these pieces in a giveaway. I feel bad because I really wanted to try this out for you guys. But that's why I have it this size. So in this video, I'm going to show you some swatches and I'm going to apply some to my... Oops, I'm going to apply some to my face, and this way we can see if it works. So really quick, let me just tell you what it says on the little jar. It says Tigergrass Color Correcting Treatment neutralizes redness and protects skin, improves skin appearance to be vibrant. And it has broad spectrum SPF 30. So it says apply a moderate amount after moisturizer. The formula will change from green to beige to help conceal the look of redness and even out skin tone. Now, I have redness here. So that's gonna be where we're kind of seeing if it calms it down. I have a little bit here and some here. And it says the active ingredients are zinc oxide and titanium dioxide. And it has this word that I don't know how to say. Cicapair? I know it's backwards, see. C-I-C-A-P-A-I-R. So let's get into up close and then we are going to test it out. So we'll be right back. All right, so here we have the Dr. Jart. I cannot say that word, sorry. It's a T, it's the Tigergrass Color Correcting Treatment. So this is a little one. It's like a sample size. Here is what it looks like. So it is green and it has like these little specks in it. I guess that's the color changing part of it. So it's here. I'm going to pick some up. And I'm going to apply it to the back of my hand. So now you're going to see it does go on green. But then when you blend it out, it does turn beige. It's a very like moisturizing emollient. So that's the way it's swatched. All right, so the swatches were interesting. I wasn't expecting it to change colors, but it actually did. And now it's time to try it on my face. So I'm going to get just a little bit closer into the camera. And I'm gonna take a spatula because this stuff is like, it's kind of whipped in there, you know what I mean? Like it's creamy, but, and it has, what does this smell like? It almost has a eucalyptus scent to it, but it's not very strong. I don't mind it. So I have a little spatula here and I'm just going to take that and put it in the back of my hand. I'm gonna work like little by little and layer it on. So I'm going to show you guys the worst part of my face, I guess, or the most redness that I have. So right here, you guys can see. So I'm going to pat that out and see how that covers. So as I'm patting it, it started off green, but it is disappearing. Like it is changing colors. You may add another layer. Maybe if so okay, I was patting that before. Let me rub this side in and see if that neutralizes it. I don't know. I don't know if it's doing anything. Let's try a little bit more. Maybe I need to put more on. I don't know. Like I saw it disappear on my hands, but let's try a little bit more. Let's go a little heavier. I can tell you it feels nice. It does feel like a hydrating moisturizer kind of thing. It doesn't feel dry. I can't see this side of my face that well. Do you guys think that it's changing colors? Like, does it look less red? What do you guys think? Well, here, let's try my chin area. My chin's a little red. I guess that, yeah, I mean, it toned it down a little bit. So this thing, the big size, retails for like, I think $40. Let's try here. This part I can see on my face because this is red and it's right in front of me. So, I mean, it calmed it down, but everybody was making it seem like it was going to be this miracle product that was going to completely take it away. Almost like a foundation, but that's the thing with TikTok sometimes is with all the edits and everything looks like it's going to work and then it doesn't. I'm not saying this doesn't work. I'm just saying it. Oh, wait. Yeah. I'm just saying that, you know, I thought it was going to have a different effect. So on this side, I'm sorry. I'm just trying to see if it's actually working. Okay, so I definitely think it's neutralizing some of the redness. Now, did it completely turn beige on my face? I don't think so. I mean, it kind of did, I guess. Like it morphed into my skin tone a little bit. But I think like with just a regular tinted moisturizer, I can achieve the same thing. You know what I mean? Now, if you have like redness in large areas of your face and you need to cover that up, maybe this is something for you. But personally, I think that I would rather just use like a tinted moisturizer that has like a yellow undertone. I would get the same effect. Now, as far as this having a treatment, I don't know. Maybe that's where the beneficial part is and like why the price point is what it is. But, I mean, yeah, I could see that it did neutralize some of the redness here. But I think I would get the same effect with a tinted moisturizer, like I said. It does feel nice. Like I said, it feels like a moisturizer. Now, I feel like, and I could be wrong, but I feel like it makes my skin look a little bit lighter, like shade-wise, a little bit lighter than if I were to use like a tinted moisturizer or a foundation. Let me know. Correct me if I'm wrong, because maybe the way I'm seeing it, you're seeing it differently. It did, for the most part, tone down some of the redness here, but I can still see a little bit. And I just feel like I look lighter than I normally do. So I just want to get in like natural sunlight so you guys could see like here. Again, I can't see if it really corrected most of it. I could see just a little bit in the mirror though. But you can see in the light that I just feel like my face looks a little lighter. So then I would think I would have to probably put foundation on top of this to kind of even it out, or maybe throw bronzer on, which isn't a bad thing. But yeah, that's what it looks like in daylight. But you could see like here, it's definitely a little bit lighter. So yeah, I don't know. I don't know how I feel about it. Like that you can see there's a difference in color. So I don't know if this is geared more to somebody who has a lighter skin tone. Maybe they have different options, but this is the one that I picked up, and I think it's the one that I was seeing on TikTok. So just wanted to share that with you guys. Okay. So I don't know, maybe is this geared more towards somebody who's like fair, light medium skin tone, like a little bit lighter than me? I don't know. Have you guys tried this out? It's not bad. It's not bad, but you know, I think I would rather take the option of let me go buy a tinted moisturizer or a foundation, get that coverage, and that's it. I don't know that I would, you know, spend the money for the big size, but that's me. I only have like certain areas that are red, and I find like relief or coverage in the tinted moisturizers that I already use. So, I mean, I'll continue to use it. If my mind changes, you know, I'll do a take two, of course. But, yeah. You know who this will be good for? Somebody who doesn't like to wear a lot of makeup, but you have some of that redness and you want to tone it down. I think you would like that. But, yeah, I'm okay with it. I don't love it, but I don't hate it. It's like somewhere in the middle. Does that make sense? So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.